Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to talk about something extremely important in this video, and that is Google's stance on AI written content. We're going to do this in a few different ways, but I want to start by just showing you probably one of the most important blog posts you will ever see in your life. Go on Google, type in Google stance AI content, and you can basically look for the developers.google.com blog. This is on the 2nd of February 2023. Google's search guidance about AI generated content. Okay, you do not get information from anyone else. Always get information from Google. Okay, so at Google, we've long believed in the power of AI to transform the ability to deliver helpful information. In this post, we'll share about how AI-generated content fits into our long-standing approach to show helpful content to people on search, rewarding high-quality content however it's produced. So for all of those people who keep writing to me, why don't you AI content check your content? Why will Google rank your content, etc.? Just read this blog post. Google's ranking systems aim to reward original, high-quality content that demonstrates qualities of what we call EEAT: expertise, experience, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Blah, 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 blah. Our focus on the quality of content rather than how the content is produced is a useful guide that has helped us deliver reliable, high-quality results to users for years. For example, blah, 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 I don't care about any of this. Blah, 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 okay? Our advice for creators considering AI generation, okay? This is the important thing. As explained, however content is produced, those seeking success in Google search should be looking to produce high-quality, original, people-first content just demonstrating qualities EEAT. This is exactly what I've been talking about in my videos. I have an entire playlist. If you go on my channel, okay, youtube.com/c/income stream surfers, and if you go on my playlist, I have an entire playlist using ChatGPT to make money online in 2023. This entire playlist talks about the concept that I'm talking about in this video. Do not make bad content with ChatGPT. Make good content with ChatGPT. That's all I'm saying. That's all Google is saying, okay? Evaluating your content in this way, whether you're using AI-generated content or not, will help you stay on course with what our systems seek to reward. So, how do I know that this is true? Well, I have a website, or I work for a website would be a more accurate way of phrasing that. Although when I say that I work for a website, that website is kind of mine, in the sense that I made the website and I care so much about the website that it literally feels like my website, okay? So to the person who accused me of lying because I said my website instead of the website I work for, you just have to understand that I'm so passionate about what I do that I say my website. It's not my website. I made the website from scratch, from zero. I made the website. But it's technically not my website, okay? I didn't pay for the Shopify, for example, and it's not my business, okay? I just work for the business. Okay, so this is the Google Search Console for 2 Men, okay? If you've watched any of my videos before, you know that I created the website 2men.it, I think in November 2022, okay? A little bit of this is skewed, okay? So obviously I get this question a lot. These clicks here, probably from, I think this big one here, they're a little bit skewed because I was showing people specific keywords. So for example, Italian coat brands is a good example of this. And also, I think there was another one. Italian cashmere brands is another example, okay? And also Italian white sneaker brands. This is skewing the results a little bit, but like not to the point where these results are completely skewed that it's pointless to even talk about them, okay? So for all the people that search for my website or the website I work for, etc., thank you. And you can see that they're a little bit skewed, but these are still the results that you can expect if you follow my methods, okay? And you can see here 1,300 indexed pages on Google, okay? What I want you to do is I want you to get your website. If you think that your SEO is bad, I want you to do site and then your website here. If you have less than 300 index pages, your problem is you don't have enough content. So get on ChatGPT, get on Google AdWords Keyword Planner, find some keywords, smash some content out, and stop complaining about your SEO being bad. Your SEO isn't bad, you just don't have enough content. If this number is higher than 300 or even 700 or whatever, and you're still not satisfied, you need to make better content, okay? So you are not hitting what Google wants. You're not giving people what Google wants or what they want, okay? You need to make better quality content. How can we make better quality content? Well, what I've been doing, you can see here, these are mainly listicle articles, okay? A listicle is like those articles like 5 best fridges, or for example, 7 old money brands, 11 designer coat brands from Italy, 5 designer jean brands from Italy, the best Italian cashmere brands from Italy, the best luxury designer sneaker brands from Italy, etc., etc., etc. My plan from the very beginning has been twofold. Make as much content as possible and interlink from that content to my important money pages. Has that worked? Yes. Basically, it's working incredibly well. This page is one of the most important pages on the website for us. Kiton is one of our most essential brands, and this page is growing. It's growing faster than the website that we've had for 9 years. I think they started the other website. This website's only 4 months old, and it's already ranking pretty well, not quite as well as the other website, but it's definitely ranking really well. So how did I do that? I created these pages all with ChatGPT, okay? So if I go on this actual page, you'll see that this has ChatGPT generated description. I did not write this manually. I used ChatGPT to make this. And then what I did was I created a crap ton of content, like as much content as you could possibly think of. All these blog posts, all the pages I created, all the collections I created, and all I did, very, very simply, I just linked everything together in a useful way. How did I create useful content? I created content that shows people brands that they might not have heard of before, okay? So if I go on my 11 best Italian designer coat brands and I scroll down, a lot of people probably haven't heard of Fioroni or Marco Pescarolo or Premiata, or maybe Premiata, yes, Woolrich or Woolwich, because it's actually an American brand, so it shouldn't be pronounced like that. Putere is another brand that people probably haven't heard of. So if you are a fan of Italian designer clothing, okay, number one, and number two, you have a decent budget, if you search for Italian coat brands and you find my article, you don't care if it's written by AI, right? Google doesn't care, you don't care. What you care about is, oh my God, these pictures are broken, I need to fix that. What you care about is that the end result, the article is useful, okay? Because these are good brands that you might not have heard of and that you might want to buy. I need to change this article, this is all messed up. It's missing a lot of pictures. And it's still ranking. It's still ranking even though a lot of pictures are messed up. Okay, so going back to this article here. Should I use AI to generate content? If you see AI as an essential way to help you produce content that is helpful and original, it might be useful to consider. If you see AI as an inexpensive, easy way to game search rankings, then no. Okay, they're obviously going to say that, guys. Okay, they're obviously going to say that. But why would they ban AI content when they have something called Bard AI coming out? It doesn't make any sense, okay? Why would they ban something that they're working on? Why? It just doesn't make any sense, guys. Please stop commenting on my videos saying Google will never rank this content, or your video is a liar, you're a scammer because it doesn't, Google won't rank this content. But it's just not true, okay? It's just not true. I know that if it seems like I'm getting annoyed, but I mean, you can probably understand when I have over 1,000 comments over the last few months since I started talking about ChatGPT, all of them saying the same thing, that Google won't rank this content, even though there's a blog post from Google that says they will rank the content, okay? I do want to talk about something very, very quickly. What Google is saying in this blog post is that if it's an efficient usage or like a good use case of AI, they will rank it, okay? So for example, a really good example of that is like using ChatGPT to create little summaries of football scores, okay? That's what they're saying will rank, but I have proof, which I've just shown you, and I've shown you in many other videos, that they will rank all content created by AI as long as the content is useful. That's the most important thing. So, which videos would I recommend if you want to get started with this method? First of all, please watch my organic keyword research video here. It's called 7 Years of Organic Keyword Research in 25 Minutes. Then I would watch my 2 prompt videos. So do this to create amazing SEO content, which will be at the end of this video if you want to watch it. And then also this secret prompt here is also really, really good. But more specifically, this one right here is very, very good. And that's probably it, to be honest. You just need to watch this video here and this video here if you want to get started writing amazing, rankable content using ChatGPT. Okay, so I will leave a link to this in the description and also to the 2 videos that I just suggested that you watched. I do need to make an updated video of organic keyword research because this video is only the fundamentals of a website, and it doesn't include the next level of content which needs to be made after that, okay? So this video here is for topical authority, and then I'll probably have another video coming which will be about finding those really good niche keywords that will really help you rank. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm sorry if it seems that I'm a little bit annoyed today. I'm actually not annoyed. I'm just really, really passionate about what I do, and I am kind of a little bit bothered by all the comments I get calling me a scammer and calling me a liar. I am literally not lying. I've shown my search console. I've shown my Google Analytics. You can see the website on Ahrefs, SEMrush, whatever it might be. I've shown you everything. I'm not hiding anything. The only thing I would say is that the search console might be a little bit skewed in the last 2 weeks or so because of my videos, but the website is growing anyway for keywords that I've never shared on a YouTube post or whatever it might be. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you really, really soon with some more content. Thank you for all the support recently as well. I'll leave a link to my Discord in the description, and also I have YouTube membership now, so I don't know, if anyone wants to join, you can just click join on my channel. Obviously, only if you can. If you can't, then please don't. But if you want to support me, feel free to hit the join button, and peace out.